How to upload PDF to Gemini. So if you want to upload PDF to Gemini, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So you can upload different types of files such as PDF, CSV, docs, and all of these other types of files. This basically means that you can upload PDF files, Office files like Word, document, Excel spreadsheets, and everything. And these are also available in a free version of Gemini. So you just need to open up your Gemini application or Gemini on your browser. Once you open, you just need to simply click on the plus button, which will be on the bottom right. Once you click on the plus button here, you will have an option of upload image, upload files, or add from drive. So you can simply go with upload files option. Once you go with upload files, you can simply upload the files. So for example, here, this interface uploaded CSV file containing the data on the number of people using the internet around the world from 1990 to 2020. So you can see the example right here, and it will create the answer. So in this way, you will be able to upload the PDF in your Gemini. You will have a simple plus icon and then you can upload. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.